So one of the most versatile sensors that we have for artificial intelligence is actually already deployed at scale, and not just in cutting-edge laboratories or factories of the future, but actually in your everyday customer's environment, and that one being the camera. And so the camera, specifically security systems and security cameras, have been historically underutilized. These cameras have been used just to kind of gather data for historical investigations or leverage for kind of low-level security alerts. Today we're going to talk a little bit about how large language models, and specifically video language models, can revolutionize these security systems into a cutting-edge and robust auditing and quality control application. So one of the big things that LLMs have kind of changed over time, especially in the past couple of years, is how we interact with data. So a lot of data that was historically stagnant, from kind of emails to call transcripts, all of that kind of sat underutilized. And what we've really looked at with LLMs is the ability to kind of gain insights from this data. With LLMs, we have the ability to give them the ability to kind of gain insights from video as well. So when you actually hook up these models to a live camera system and provide it tools, such as computer vision models, you actually give these systems the ability to triage events in live time. And again, from anything from factories for manufacturing or security and safety and compliance contexts. These systems I used to describe historically as, what would you do if you had 1,000 people watching your cameras, right? What insights would you gather? What things would you be tracking? And realistically, VLMs are actually taking this to another level. They're able to triage multiple instances from the same camera at the same time. They're able to collaborate and also touch into other data points or ecosystems that you have integrated. They never take a break like a human as well. And one of the things as well is that it can be quickly repurposed. And so that's one of the things that we'll kind of explore when we talk about real-world applications. The focus of kind of leveraging VLM technologies here, or at least for Camio, is to make AI easy to use, deploy, and optimize across a variety of environments.